Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best carry-on 21-inch with laptop pocket softside luggage on the market. The SwissGear Sion Softside Expandable Luggage. This compact, travel-ready marvel has taken the top spot for its quality, utility, and style. Whether you're hopping between cities for work or squeezing in a weekend getaway, this luggage might just be your new favorite travel partner. Let's start with what really makes this suitcase stand out: its thoughtful design. The Sion Softside carry-on is crafted from durable, scuff-resistant polyester. That means it's built to handle the wear and tear of overhead bins, baggage carousels, and tight cabin spaces. The black color gives it a sleek, professional look that's as suitable for business trips as it is for leisure travel. That extra room can make a huge difference on your return trip when souvenirs start piling up. Now, let's talk about maneuverability. This luggage is equipped with four 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels. You can glide through airports, roll down narrow airplane aisles, and make tight turns without a second thought. The carry handles are placed at the top, side, and bottom of the case, giving you options for lifting from any angle, especially useful in cramped overhead compartments or car trunks. Moving on to the inside, this is where SwissGear really flexes its organizational muscle. The fully lined interior offers generous packing space for a carry-on, and the adjustable tie-down straps help keep your clothes from shifting during transit. There's also a removable wet bag, a mesh zippered pocket, and a large U-shaped compartment, perfect for separating damp items or storing last-minute additions. You might be wondering about security and smart features. While this luggage doesn't come with a TSA-approved lock or built-in cup holder, it more than makes up for it in reliability and thoughtful design. And while some newer models boast USB ports or smart tracking, the SwissGear Sion keeps it simple and strong: no batteries or gimmicks, just dependable travel gear. If you're someone who travels light, packs smart, and moves fast, this carry-on checks all the right boxes. It's compact enough to fit in most overhead bins, but spacious enough to get you through a 1 to 3 day trip without compromise. That's it for today's deep dive on the SwissGear Sion Softside Expandable Luggage. If you're ready to upgrade your carry-on game, this might just be the one to beat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell so you never miss another expert review. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where the products speak and we listen. Safe travels.